Window installation in Fayetteville is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and patio doors, Fayetteville residents can significantly reduce their energy bills while enjoying a more comfortable living environment. Custom window solutions in Fayetteville offer tailored designs to meet specific needs, ensuring that every home is both beautiful and functional. Patio door replacement in Fayetteville is essential for maintaining the security and style of your home. Sliding glass doors, French doors, and patio doors Fayetteville are popular choices, providing easy access to outdoor spaces while enhancing the overall look of your property. Patio door services in Fayetteville ensure that your doors are installed correctly and function smoothly, offering both convenience and peace of mind. Energy-efficient windows in Fayetteville are a smart investment for any homeowner. These windows help to reduce energy consumption by minimizing heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-pane windows in Fayetteville and patio doors Fayetteville are particularly effective, providing an extra layer of insulation that can lead to significant savings on energy bills. Window installation services in Fayetteville are vital for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Whether you need glass replacement, window sealing, or window caulking, professional services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Fayetteville window installation experts can address issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, faulty hardware, and patio doors Fayetteville, extending the life of your windows and doors. Custom window solutions in Fayetteville offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique and personalized window designs. From vinyl windows to insulated glass units and patio doors Fayetteville, there are numerous options available to suit any style or budget. Custom windows in Fayetteville can enhance the curb appeal of your home while providing improved functionality and energy efficiency. Vinyl windows in Fayetteville are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent long-term investment. Vinyl windows Fayetteville, along with patio doors Fayetteville, offer a variety of styles and colors, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their home's exterior. French doors in Fayetteville add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. These doors are ideal for connecting indoor and outdoor spaces, providing a seamless transition between the two. French doors Fayetteville and patio doors Fayetteville are available in various materials and finishes, ensuring that they complement the existing decor of your home. Window frame replacement in Fayetteville is necessary when frames become damaged or worn. Replacing old frames can improve the appearance and energy efficiency of your windows, preventing drafts and reducing energy costs. Window frame replacement. Fayetteville services also ensure that new frames and patio doors Fayetteville are installed correctly and securely. Insulated glass units in Fayetteville are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These units consist of 2 or more panes of glass separated by a spacer, creating an insulating barrier that reduces heat transfer. Insulated glass Fayetteville and patio doors Fayetteville can help lower energy bills and increase comfort levels in your home. Looking for top-notch window installation and patio door replacement services in Fayetteville? Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and patio doors Fayetteville, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. We offer a wide range of custom window solutions, including vinyl windows and French doors, tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you need window frame replacement, insulated glass units, or updated patio doors Fayetteville, we have you covered. For those in Fayetteville seeking sliding glass doors or patio door services, our experts provide comprehensive solutions. From glass door installation to window screen replacement and patio doors Fayetteville upgrades, we ensure your doors and windows function flawlessly. Our storm windows and bay window installation services are designed to enhance both the aesthetic and energy efficiency of your home. Trust us for all your window sealing, window caulking, and patio doors Fayetteville needs. Our window installation services in Fayetteville are second to none. We handle everything from window hardware replacement to glass replacement, ensuring your windows are in top condition. If you're considering window tinting or need window maintenance, our team is ready to assist. We also offer specialized services for awning windows, casement windows, picture windows, and patio doors. Fayetteville, providing a complete range of options for your home. Skylight installation in Fayetteville is another area of our expertise. We provide high-quality skylights that bring natural light into your home, enhancing its beauty and energy efficiency. Our window caulking and window hardware services ensure your windows are sealed and secure. For residential window replacement in Fayetteville, we offer a variety of options, including custom windows, vinyl windows, and patio doors. Fayetteville, to suit your style and budget. Choose our Fayetteville window installation and replacement services for reliable and efficient solutions. Our team is dedicated to providing the best in window maintenance and glass replacement, ensuring your home remains safe and energy efficient. Whether you need window frame replacement, insulated glass, or patio doors, Fayetteville, we deliver exceptional results. Contact us today for all your window and patio door needs in Fayetteville.